accuses Toranaga of being a traitor and threatens to impeach him when this setting like this was a grave breach of etiquette and decorum. Samurai were expected to reflect the discipline of their master.
If you haven't watched History Buffs, watch History Buffs. I think it's such a good YouTube channel. I also love history anyways, so this channel is just my favorite. But I am going to quickly get ready. I'm going with my mom to Eileen Fisher. There's a few items that she's been looking at. We're gonna check that out. It's not raining too hard today, but hopefully while we're out, it's not going to be a downpour. I usually don't go for blue, but I really like this cashmere sweater. It has like a wide neck. It looks so good. I ended up getting 2 tops in store and then I ordered 1, but this is the first top, which I absolutely love, and I love this kind of longer neckline. I think it looks super chic, and I think my favorite thing about it, and I hope this is not a spiel, I think just being able to support sustainable businesses, chef's kiss. This particular material is a blend of recycled wool and cashmere, so I think it's like 75 or 80% wool and then the rest is cashmere. It definitely has far more structure and not as soft as the other sweater that I bought, but I bought the other one in 2 colors. One I have with me, one we're ordering, and it's in pink, which I don't know, recently I have been getting into pink, which is very unlike me because I used to be someone who was all black everything, I'm going to my own funeral kind of gal. So it's definitely switch up. But here is the second. I don't know how I'm going to style it. It's definitely long and I have a rather short torso, kind of like on the side. Maybe something like this. I think it just looks really chic, and it's also, it gives you room to move. I really love that. Okay, so I am going to put the books in here. I don't know what's happening right here. I need to figure out, this might need to be like set in place and it's not, but at least this one I can do something about. So actually let's see. I got them in, however, I think that instead of this whole situation, I'm going to take the first shelf down, so then it's just, there's one long line. I can put thick hardcovers or just like thicker books here at the bottom and shelf them in this way. But I think this way, more pleasing to the eye than this. I am oh my gosh, it is pouring outside, but I need to get some work done, and I don't know if anyone else is like this, but when I'm at home all I want to do is rest. So we're going to do a little bit of work. I usually don't enjoy getting the pre-made bouquets, just because I do want to learn how to make my own bouquet, but like, look how beautiful. I think they did a gorgeous job. I bought 2 rosés, 1 non-alcoholic tea, just to try it, just so I have like a list of things that I can also recommend to people if they are non-alcoholic. But yeah, I'm trying the Opaline Pinot Noir Brut Rosé. I thought that was really lovely. This is not non-alcoholic. I'll show you the non-alcoholic. Also non-alcoholic. But the La Ferme Julienne. So I got this. Was I intrigued by the goat? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Sparkling tea rosé with oolong, hibiscus, and herbal teas, a cold brew. I was told that this is a lovely choice, so interested to try it. And this, the gentleman actually while I was checking out was telling me that this is a really lovely choice. It's not a rosé, it's a white, but it's Vouvray. I don't know how to say things in French. Val de Loire, Val de Loire, Val de Loire. Obviously, you will not catch me living in France, but anyways, he said that this was amazing, so I am very interested to try this. My name is Una, and I just had surgery. Look at all that hair on her. Oh my gosh, it smells lovely.
Yeah, it does smell like fresh flowers.
It smells amazing. I don't know if flower food actually does anything, but I don't know. I think that looks.
It's called The Boys in the Boat. It's a guy who's, I guess, the U.S. Olympic rowing team. So this guy.
You remember me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, then what's my name?
Joyce and Garth.
You're Joe Rance. I remember because you had a huge crush on me in the 4th grade.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Hello, everyone. This is a very funny snacking situation, but I'm going to watch a little bit of Dairy Girls. So I made myself little snacking bowls. I have butter popcorn and then this like hodgepodge of things, but it's the blueberry vanilla chèvre, some salami, some walnuts, apples, plums, and then chocolate covered honeycomb. But yeah, these are my treats.
Cara is not a model. She's done some modeling. There's a difference.
I heard she's going to be on Baywatch.
She's not going to be on Baywatch, Marla. I hear that too, the Baywatch thing.
So did I.
They don't have people from Jerry on Baywatch, okay? Just too pasty. Look. This is class. What? Later.
I think tulips could be cute.
I think this one's.
It is brunch time. My mom is working on the table. We bought some flowers from Trader Joe's. I'm trying to time it well, but I'm gonna work on the charcuterie board, and then the eggs are gonna be last because those take the shortest amount of time and best eaten fresh. But I think everyone gets around 12:30, 12:45-ish. I got some really fun cheeses I'm gonna show. This is Brie de Mau. This. Amazing. So yummy. And this Linsette. Oh, it's also a Brie. But yes, Linsette. Oh, Linsette. These two, amazing.
Strawberry.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Excellent.